Good morning, students. Today we are going to do poster making revision. We have done this topic in our previous classes, but today we'll revise it. Let me share the screen. First of all, this is a short composition and you must note down the word limit 50 words, right? So let us move with this sample poster. I hope you can see the screen, right? You are making an effort to spread, right? You are making an effort to spread the message of communal harmony. Prepare a poster with catchy slogans to be displayed in the school premises. Word limit 50 words. Now, when we move, we see this poster. The heading has been given communal harmony, the need of the hour. Avoid distinctions of caste, creed, and sex, and curb communal speeches writing. Respect each other's religion. No religion teaches hatred. Dear students, if you see this poster, a small poster that has been two bubbles you can see, circular. So that circular bubbles you can see that has been, circles you can see that have been made to highlight India, a secular state, right? Live in peace and harmony, amity, right? Be amiable, okay? So this way we can then, the most important thing that you need to do in the last part, when you have used your slogans, a heading, this is a poster to spread awareness regarding communal harmony, to spread the message of peace and harmony. The next thing that I wish to tell you, when you have done this much of part, you need to write the issuing body or the committee or the authority who has issued the poster in the interest of public, right? And poster making, as I said, is of 3 marks, right? So 1 mark you can say for the layout, 1 for the content, then 1 for your expression and your accuracy in writing slogans and grammatical accuracy. Now, let's go on to the next poster. We have done few samples in our previous classes also, right? Prepare a graceful poster for the inter-school poetic recitation contest that the Hindi Sahitya Sabha of your school is organizing to celebrate the birthday of Munshi Premchand. Now, if we turn this question, the school is organizing, conducting some poetic contest. What is that some poetic contest? What is the account? Inter-school poetic recitation. To commemorate, to highlight, to signify the birthday of, to celebrate the birthday of Munshi Premchand, right? And if you see, to celebrate the birthday of Munshi Premchand, now, if you keep in mind the notices in mind, they have a difference. We write the name of the organization on the top, then we give the heading, right? So if we move on this poster, to celebrate the birthday of Munshi Premchand, Hindi Sahitya Sabha of so-and-so school, DAV Senior Secondary School, Ambala, invites the students of Ambala schools to participate in inter-school poetic recitation contest. It is in the invitation form. The poster which is designed is in invitation form. Poetic recitation contest. Now, I can also add some figures here. I can, if I'm very good at making some caricatures or some cartoon clips, or then I can make a person standing with a mic, right? Or a boy, or a mic here where the vacant places are or spaces are there. That is up to you, right? Fine. Because we are not designing a poster on a computer screen with a clip art. We are writing a poster in 50 words. We can use that also. We have discussed already, right? So now let us move on to the third example. Lions Club and Leo Club. As the president of Leo Club of Temple Town, prepare a poster on behalf of Lions Club and Leo Club for a Diwali Mela. It can be Children's Day fair. It can be any creative, cultural fair, art fair to be held at Nehru Stadium, mentioning some of the attractions. Okay, dear students, I wish to tell you, please go through the videos which have been put up when these topics were being done. You'll find more examples that will definitely help you. So as the president of Leo Club of Temple Town, prepare a poster on behalf of Lions Club and Leo Club for Diwali Mela to be held at Nehru Stadium, mentioning the attractions. So attraction, prizes are there sometimes which are not here, right? We can mention those prizes. Have you understood, dear students sitting in the class?
Yes, ma'am.
Very good. I hope this revision which we did will help you in creating your posters, right? So Lions Club and Leo Club organize a sparkling Diwali Mela to illumine your lives with joy and happiness. The details are given: venue, time, date, entry fee, even attractions, because the question asked for attractions. A lucky draw will be taken out, and first, second, third prize. Celebrate eco-friendly Diwali, save the environment. Save environment, save life. Save environment, save Mother Earth. Save environment, save humanity. You can create any of your slogans that you have learned in your classes. Cracker free Diwali, sponsored by Pepsi, sponsored by, or even Lions Club and Leo Club, sponsored by. This is sponsorship given by is written. There may be many. There may be a column sponsored by 2, 3, 4. You can put. Have you understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Very good. Now, okay, so if you see, design a poster for your school fete. All these posters which are being shared here have these places, as you can use here your sketching skills. If you are very good, you can create something very fast. You can make those circles as we did the first poster. You can make bubbles. You can make some signifying free sketch of something. I will not say a sketch, but something you can create in a creative form when you are making posters. St. John's School, Agra, in aid of earthquake victims on Sunday, 2nd March, from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. at school campus. A day of fun and frolic. So organizing to help earthquake victims, right?
Yes,
I hope you have understood.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Okay. So I would like any one of you to read about this day of fun and frolic, the attractions which are given.
St. John's St. John's School, Agra, in aid of earthquake victims, Sunday, 2nd March, 9 a.m. to 5 p.m., school campus, a day of fun, frolic, fancy dress,
Snack stalls.
snack stall, gymnastics, electronic games, gun, gun contests, merry-go-rounds, lucky draws,
Very good, beta. Entry by tickets, help a noble cause, help for a noble cause, save humanity, save mankind, right? So this way we can make it more creative. I hope, dear students, you have understood how to create a beautiful poster with creativity. Okay? God bless you all. Yes, I hope all the students have understood little bit about poster making, and as I said, this composition is of 3 marks. Short composition, writing section question, which is the part of a subjective part B, right? So, God bless you all. Thank you.